This video demonstrates how to download and install our ColorLogic software in addition to requesting a demo license. Go to colorlogic.de and click on the download button. This redirects you to the login page for existing users. If you already have an existing account, type in your login information and click Login. If you are a new user, click on the Click Here to Register link. Complete the new user registration form with the required information and click on the Register button. Once logged in, select the application of your choice for either Mac or Windows. In this case, I'm going to choose Cobra, our high-end profiling software for Mac. Click on the Download button to begin the download. Once it's done downloading, double-click on the package to install. Click Continue and answer all the necessary questions. Select the location of where you want to install Cobra and click Continue. Once installation is complete and you have the software application open, go to the registration link located here. For a demo, click on the Demo License Request tab. Fill out all the necessary information, keeping in mind that the email address that you enter is where the demo license will be sent. Once you have filled the information out, click on the Send Direct Request button. You will then receive the demo license key momentarily via your specified email account. The demo license key is valid for 2 weeks. For a permanent license, please contact your ColorLogic dealer and provide your unique serial number, which is found in the License Details tab. This serial number is necessary in order to issue your permanent license. Once you have received your license, click on the Load button. Choose the license file that was sent to your email address and click Open. A list of features will be displayed when the license is loaded. All demo licenses have all features available for evaluation. Cobra and Zebra will have watermarks when you process image files. For more information, please contact your local ColorLogic dealer.